Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you a cash flow tip about price. Now, price helps you work out how much revenue is coming into your business because the number of things that you sell times the price of the sale gives you the revenue for your business. The revenue minus the costs gives you your profit, and the timing of that money coming in and going out is what dictates your cash flow. So it's a revenue, profit, and a cash flow lever. So my tip of the day is about communicating your value. Now, communicating the value of your products or service is really important because this is what's going to help you command a premium price for your product, particularly if you're able to communicate a unique selling feature that none of your competitors have. Now, the beauty of having a unique selling feature is that if you can hold that position or constantly be diversifying enough that just gives them another taste of something exceptional that you do, then your value will actually communicate itself to them far easier than how you could express it. So remember, your customer wants to know what value your product or service is going to deliver them. They don't want a list of your features and benefits. What they want to know is how is it going to change their lives to have your product in their life. So communicate the value of your product or service, not in terms of the features and benefits that it has, but in terms of the value that it delivers to your customer. This has been a cash flow tip about price.